This company provides process control and automation services to various industries, services that involve calibrating instruments so that they output precise measurements. One of the instruments they work with is the weight scale, which the head metrologist is able to fit and calibrate. In this way, he's a scale fitter. He assembles and repairs weighing instruments which always need to be accurate to 0.01%. Repairing and calibrating instruments is done here in the lab as well as on site, where equipment might be immovable. There is often much troubleshooting and problem solving when on site. There are 3 parts to a weight scale: the feet at the bottom, which balance the scale, the load cell, the measuring instrument within the scale set to output the measurement, and the load receptor, the plate that you put the load onto. Here, the scale fitter assembles the scale. You will need to check the leveling, which is done visually with the spirit level. When calibrating the scale, you will need to wear gloves when handling the test weights. If test weights are magnetized, touched, or dirty in any way, this will affect the weight itself and therefore the accuracy of the reading. Rooms are temperature controlled to ensure the accuracy of the balance, and the lab is kept at an average of 23 degrees for this reason. He places a weight on the load receptor and sets an adjustment into the load cell's internal computer. This allows the scale to read precise weights time after time. The scale fitter will double-check this reading to ensure a correct calibration by performing a linearity run up and down depending on the capacity of the scale to check for errors. When industries and businesses weigh up measurements and there are minute fractions of difference, these differences will accumulate, which will always equate to financial losses or unfair gains. This is why the accuracy of measurement in industry is so important. The work carried out by scale fitters and metrologists is fundamental to all industries and businesses. Their work is regulated by the NRCS and SANES for verification and SANES for calibration nationally, and all results are traceable to national and international standards. There is much responsibility in ensuring that their clients' instruments, machines, and equipment measure all units accurately. To become a scale fitter, matric with maths and science is a minimum requirement. There is much internal training through on-the-job learning as well as examinations at the National Regulator for Compulsory Specifications, National Laboratory Association, and SANES. Being trained by a SANES-accredited company is an acceptable pathway. Focus and attention to detail is really important in this career because any small inaccuracy can have very serious consequences.